Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're excited to announce that HitPaw FotorPea has officially been upgraded to version 5.3. In this video, I'll walk you through the key new features in this update. Don't forget to click the free download link pinned in the description to try HitPaw FotorPea yourself. Alright, let's get started. New enhancement model. As usual, let's start by dropping our image into the photo enhancer. At the bottom right corner, click on Enhance, and here you'll see our brand new enhancement model. Select General Natural. This model is specially designed for low-resolution images and everyday scenarios. It delivers more natural-looking results with improved detail and realism, while accurately preserving facial features and even the natural texture of animal fur, making the final image look more lifelike and authentic. AI Canvas, Flexible Image Ratio Editing. Now let's take a look at another update. Click on AI Photo Editor. Then find AI Canvas at the top left corner. Here, you can freely adjust the image ratio however you like. Or simply choose from preset ratio options to quickly resize your image. And that wraps up the 5.3 update. Thank you so much for being part of our journey. Your support and feedback mean a lot to us, and they inspire us to keep making HitPaw FotorPea better every day. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.